We are a company which is now almost 50 years old, but we got into aerospace and defense 15 years ago. We are manufacturing very high technology electronic products for aircraft applications, fighter jets, fighter helicopters, now going into UAV space, getting into satellites. And we also have a division which is doing railway electronics. So we are all in all a company which does electronics for space, defense and railways. Most of the products that we are supplying in the Indian market are developed by us. So the technology, the IPR, basically the innovation part, which our Prime Minister keeps on talking about, is something which is at the heart of our existence. We develop our own products. And we are also supplying products to global majors. We are supplying products to Royal Malaysian Air Force in Malaysia. We are supplying products to companies in South Africa, in the US, looking at Germany. So we have global reach, and I think we are looking at the slogan is very much applicable on us, make in India for the world. So that's another thing, but all in high technology products. So this year we'll be doing a 200 crores revenue, looking at a growth of about doubling it next year, so about 400 to 500 crores, and then moving up to 1000 crores. Looking at an order book of about 1000 crores by end of next quarter. So broadly that is the top line, and mostly we are serving customers in defense space. So we are looking at, but global exports out of that would be probably about 25-30% of that would be global exports. The market is picking up, there is more demand, indigenization has picked up a lot, so there are more platforms that products are going on, different types of aircraft, different types of helicopters, all those programs are ramping up, so it's a combination of all that which is growing, giving us the growth. And also our railway electronic division is also starting to give revenue from next year. Pretty significant revenue would be coming from there, which is for products that will go to companies like Siemens, Alstom and those kind of products. Again, all electronics going on Vande Bharat and Metro and things like that. Mixture of all this is what results in that kind of a turnover. So we are planning about 100 crores of investment over the next 2 years into all these different types of products, mostly going into R&D. Capex is part of this 100 crores, and we are already got a pretty significant facility which is going to be growing by another 20%, but we're going to stay in Udyog Vihar. We have just raised, actually got a commitment from a fund called True North, which is a convertible debt. About 240 crores of commitment is already there with us, and we are also looking at an IPO in about 2 years' time. So if there is something that comes up in between, we are self-sufficient with a lot of robust cash, order the kind of business that we're going to do will also create enough cash to fund some of our investments besides what commitments we've got. But a lot of funds are in discussions with us to kind of help us in that. But I think let's see if I need anything more, or we just straight away do an IPO.